Remodeling your home should be fun, exciting, and a rewarding experience. It should not be stressful or feel like a burden if you hire the right professional. Today I would like to identify a few of the hallmarks of a great home improvement experience. Number one is trust. It is important that the contractor you choose earns your trust and that you feel that level of confidence through the entire process. Before signing a contract, I recommend meeting the owner of the company. Number two, great communication. Remodeling is a long-term relationship, so open communication is vital. Your contractor should listen to you attentively and communicate with you actively throughout the entire process. With transparency and open dialogue, work will be executed to meet your lifestyle and budget goals. Number three, inclusive. As the homeowner, your voice should be heard and included in space planning, selecting finishes, budgeting, and when there are decisions to make in the field. Having regular meetings with your remodeling professional helps avoid surprises and ensure that the finished project is everything you expected and more.